During the first weeks of life, leopard cubs are kept hidden in a safe haven, while the mother goes out in search of food. As the cubs grow and become more independent, the mother takes them out to explore their surroundings and they begin to learn to hunt. A mother leopard spends most of her time hunting to provide for her cubs, who needs to be fed regularly. She also needs to be constantly on the alert to protect her young from dangerous animals like hyenas, lions, and other deadly animals. And this time, a mother with her calf found an extremely dangerous animal in front of her, which was killing another predator. These incredible images show the moment a leopard found a snake killing an eagle. The leopard that was with her cub approached to analyze this situation and see if it could benefit in any way. According to information, the brown short-toed eagle attacked the black mamba but ended up being captured himself. The leopard, who looked hungry, pawed at the two. He tried in various ways to steal the black mamba eagle for food. However, the black mamba, trembling for its life, did not let go of it for nothing. After a while, the leopard ended up leaving the two predators to kill themselves and walked away.